Alright, welcome to your first e-learning day. The objective for today is we're going to be able to multiply binomials and trinomials together. So we're going to think back to yesterday real quick. When we multiplied yesterday, we used the FOIL method, or you may have used a different method, but essentially we always multiplied the first terms, the outside terms, the inside terms, and the last terms. Alright, and so when I do that, I will get 6x squared minus 10x plus 12x minus 20. And then I have to combine my like terms, so my final answer would be 6x squared plus 2x minus 20. Alright, so next you need to do the second one on your paper, and I will give you the answer in a few seconds. Pause the video if I start talking before you are done. Alright, so again, if you're not done yet, pause the video, but here is the answer. So you should have gotten 8x cubed minus 28x squared plus 10x squared minus 35x. And then you combine the like terms. You get 8x cubed minus 18x squared minus 35x. Right? If at any point you have questions, please feel free to email me, or Miss Weldy if you have Miss Weldy. Alright, so now we got to multiply a trinomial and a binomial. So this is where it becomes a little bit more complicated. So we can't use FOIL. Okay, so get that out of your heads for this. We just need to think of multiplying every term in the, I'm going to start with 3x, and I'm going to multiply, 3x squared, and I'm going to multiply that by 2x and minus 7. I'm just going to do that first. So that gives me 6x cubed minus 21x squared. Okay? Then I'm going to take x and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to multiply x by everything in the parentheses. So I get plus 2x squared minus 7x, and then I'm going to take my last term and multiply that by everything in the parentheses. So minus 10x plus 35. Then I need to combine a lot of like terms. So here's one set of like terms, and here's the other set of like terms. So my final answer is 6x cubed minus 19x squared minus 17x plus 35. So if you noticed that when we had two binomials multiplying together, they created a trinomial. Now that we have a binomial and a trinomial, it creates a polynomial that has 4 terms. Alright, I want you to try this one, and again, I want you to pause the video and turn it back on when you are ready for the answer. Don't just wait till I give you the answer. Alright, so you should have gotten 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 3x squared plus 9x plus x minus 3. And then again, when we combine the like terms, we would get 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 10x minus 3. And that is your final answer. Okay, what you need to do to be present for today is you need to take your homework from yesterday and you need to finish those last problems. I think it's like 22 through the end. If you do not have your homework because it is at school, you need to get it off of Canvas and you need to do it on a separate piece of paper. Okay, that needs to be done by Monday. But you really should work on it today because you can ask me questions or anything if you need help.